Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will discuss how to make money online without spending anything. If you're looking to make money online without paying anything, don't worry. There are some options to earn without any financial investment. In this video, we are going to discuss top 10 best ways to make money online without paying anything or any investment. 1. Take online surveys. One of the most popular side hustles is to take paid online surveys. There are a number of websites and apps that offer surveys, and getting started is easy. The flexibility is definitely one of the major perks of taking surveys for money. You have complete freedom with your schedule, and you can even take an online survey when you have just a short amount of time to spare. Most take only a few minutes. Some people even take surveys while they're watching TV. Aside from the flexibility, another perk is that anyone can do it. You don't need any specific skills or experience. If you want to maximize your income from surveys, the best approach is to join a few different sites. Some of our favorite survey websites and apps are Swagbucks, MyPoints, Survey Junkie, Branded Surveys, and Inbox Dollars. 2. Microtasks. There are several different microtasking websites that allow you to earn money by completing small tasks. This can include things like moderating content, basic research, categorizing data, and more. The tasks are simple and quick. You'll get paid a small amount for each task, and you'll be able to complete a large volume of tasks. Just like online surveys, microtasks are not the highest paying side hustle, but the work is extremely flexible. You can sign up for a few different tasking websites and work as much or as little as you want. You can work a few hours in chunks, or just a few minutes whenever you have some spare time. Some of the leading websites for microtasks are Amazon's Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, Microworkers, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. 3. Test websites. Another flexible side hustle is to get paid to test websites and apps. Of course, companies need to get user feedback related to their designs and the functionality of their sites and apps, and some are willing to pay people to provide that feedback. The amount of money that you make will depend on several factors, but in general, you'll earn between $10 to $60 per test. The test will often involve recording audio or video while you're using the site or app. The only downside to this side hustle is that the opportunities are somewhat limited. It's become a popular way to make money online, so there are more testers than opportunities at times. There are several different websites where you can sign up to be a tester. Some of the best ones include Userfeel, User Testing, and Usalytics. 4. Play games. Like all the other options listed in this section, playing games is a very flexible way to make some extra income. As you might expect, most people that do this will make small amounts of money, but it can be done in your spare time, and you'll actually enjoy it. When was the last time you got paid to play a game? There are a few different ways to make money by playing games. One of the easiest ways to get started is to download the Misplay app only for Android, which will allow you to earn rewards for playing a variety of different games. Swagbucks also allows you to earn some rewards for playing games. Another option is the game app Lucktastic Android and iOS, which also allows you to earn rewards. 5. Start a YouTube channel. With a popular YouTube channel, you could make money from ads, direct sponsorship deals, and affiliate links in your videos and descriptions. You can start a YouTube channel on just about any topic that interests you, and as long as you have a simple camera, there's no expense needed to get started. As you go, you'll want to budget some money to upgrade your equipment, but getting started doesn't require an investment. You can use a simple smartphone camera if that's all you have. Pick something that interests you and start creating videos. 6. Work as a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a broad term, and VAS can offer any number of different services. Many VAS will do things like manage social media profiles, manage online ads, edit blog posts, create images for blog posts and social media posts, write or create content, edit videos for YouTube, work as a personal assistant, and more. There are opportunities for VAS to get paid very well and make thousands of dollars per month. In fact, some VAS charge more than $50 per hour. There's a lot to like about the opportunity to work as a V. It's a perfect fit for many people who want something part-time and flexible or a full-time business to make money. There are a few websites that can help you define work as a VO, like Fancy Hands, Assistant Match, and Remotico. 7. Freelance writing. Working as a freelance writer can be a great way to make real money online. With a huge number of websites and blogs that publish new content every single day, there is a big demand for writers who can create that content. There are content writing opportunities in just about any niche or industry that you can think of, but popular industries like news, finance, health, and travel will present more opportunities than smaller niches. While there are a lot of different services you can offer as a freelancer, writing is one of my favorites because many of the gigs involve recurring work. If you land a few clients who hire you to write articles on a repeat basis, that means you won't need to spend time looking for work. There are several job boards that can be a good place to start, including ProBlogger, Blogging Pro, FreelanceWriting.com, and Online Writing Jobs. 8. Freelance graphic design. If you have some design skills, there's a lot of work available for freelance graphic designers. This could include projects like websites, logos, brochures and marketing materials, packaging and labels, blog and social media images, and much more. You can get started with no investment by setting up a profile on Fiverr and creating some gigs. There's definitely a lot of competition, but plenty of designers are doing very well on Fiverr. You can also create your own portfolio website to show off your work and to help with landing new clients. If you need something that's free, you can use a website builder like Wix, or set up a portfolio at a site like Behance or CarOffLot. 9. Manage social media profiles. Many small businesses and solopreneurs recognize the value of being active on social networks, but they simply don't have the time or resources to handle it themselves. You could offer services to fill this gap and work on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Your services could involve creating and scheduling posts for different platforms, interacting with followers, creating graphics to be used in social media posts, and anything else related to social media marketing. One of the best things about this type of work is that most of your clients will be ongoing. If the client gets results from your work, they'll continue to pay you. 10. Become a tutor. Online tutoring or teaching can be a great side hustle. The pay, in most cases, is pretty good, and you'll benefit from a flexible schedule. Although there are some full-time jobs available, in general, this opportunity is better for part-time work. Even as a part-time tutor, you can earn $20 plus per hour. The requirements for your education and work experience will vary from one opportunity to the next. In some cases, you will need previous teaching experience, and in other cases you won't. There are opportunities for teaching or online tutoring jobs, all different subjects, although English is extremely popular. Pick the right opportunity for you and get started. Follow the steps listed and you'll be able to make money online without paying anything. If you take action today, you'll be that much closer to getting paid. That's all about today, guys. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.